Interactive. I guess that's what this is. You hear me? Are you being interactive? Yeah? Yeah? Hi. Hello. So I'm out chilling at the lake today. And I thought it'd be a cool day to install some new LED lights in my camper shell. So I'm gonna bring you around. I'll show you what's going on in there. Yeah. I do have LED lights installed in there right now, but these ones are pretty much an upgrade. The ones I have in there right now are just one color. It's kind of a not a super white LED white. I'd like to be able to change it up, so this one will get me anything from cool blue to warm to multicolor, anything I want. So why don't you come on inside with me and we'll install that. Yeah. Welcome to my home away from home. This is where amazing things happen. Yeah, as you can see, I already have LED lights up in here. However, there's a couple limitations on them. The nice thing I like about them is each side is independently controlled. So if I want, I can turn this side up, turn that side down, and the other side, do that. So I'm definitely going to keep those in here. The bad thing is the controls are on this side. And it wouldn't have looked too good if I had it over here, so that's why they're over there. But with these bad boys, I'll be able to hook it to my battery box, which is down here. I'll show you that in a second. And B, I can control it from my phone. So I can change all the different light settings with my phone. I can do whatever I want with it. And I guess, yeah, first off, we'll see what kind of length we're working with here. As I can look into the instruction manualage, all right? Sheesh. There's like 30 different languages in the instructions. Dang. 5 meters, so that's 16.5 feet. So 12. So it should be able to wrap all the way around, which is pretty cool. But we will test that before we unstick anything. And then, yeah, look how long that power cord is. So I'm thinking of starting it in this corner behind the camera. That way this power cord, I can just bring it down to my battery box down here. And that's how we will power this particular device. Anyways, there's the battery box I'm thinking about putting it into. I have a smaller battery box. But all right, can you see me now? Can you hear me now? All right, yeah, I think so. As you can tell, is quite the length. I'm just going to get it all unraveled here. Unspool it. And we'll see if we can go all the way around. Which, if it doesn't, I'm not sure what we'll do, but we'll figure something out. Messes were made, but times were fun. Oh man, I have no idea how I'm going to do this. Sheesh, get it together, bud. Yeah, I was saying, I have no idea how I'm going to measure this. I guess I can get it pretty accurate if I go around here. Oh yeah, I don't think it's going to go all the way around, boys and girls. It would be kind of cool if I contoured it around here on the ceiling. That would actually look pretty neat, I think. But, yeah, first off, let's see how far it's going to reach around here. Which I'm pretty sure at this point that it's not. So, yeah, I think we're just going to put it right above this other one. You'll have to go a little higher because of the top of the door here. Let me show you. So I'll start it here. I'll bring it around up here. Go above that, through that. Yeah. I don't know. I think that'll look pretty sweet with the multicolor and whatnot. Yeah, it should. It should look all right. It should look all right. We'll see. We'll see. Well, here goes nothing. This comes out. Yeah, that's cool. So yeah, when it's not in use, I can just keep this stashed away. That's a pretty sweet feature. We'll just start it right up there. I kind of want this to be in the corner though. tuck it behind there if we need to. And then I'll bring this through here. That goes to the tail, or the tail light on my topper. So yeah, here goes nothing, I guess. Let's get her done, boys and girls. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, we'll start it right here. I want it to be able to go under there so it can hold it down. Yeah, and if this ends up being awesome enough, I can just take these other ones down too. I by no means need to keep them up. I just kind of want to. In case I need secondary lights or what have you. 45 degrees out right now. Middle of January. So that's pretty dang warm for this area. This time of year. So, yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's gonna look super nice. Take this out. Let me turn the light off for a second. Don't mind the darkness. Don't get scared now. Oh no. There we go. Okay. This bad boy back in so y'all can see me. Sweet. So literally the only experience I have mounting LED lights is the ones you see up here already. So give me a break, all right? Just give me a break. Go easy on me. It's my first, not my first day, but pretty close, all right? So y'all just calm down. That contour isn't liking the angle I'm putting it at. All right. Ooh, maybe we'll put it on top of here. That'll kind of reflect onto the ceiling. That'll look pretty sweet. Yeah. That's peeling off the adhesive, dang it. I'll keep that adhesive on there so it adheres. Jeez. Come on now. All right. All right, here we go. Around to the other side. Try to match what I did over there. How high up is it? It's about right there, yeah. Now, coming up is the moment of truth. How bad is it gonna look? That's the question. How bad will this look? A little pokey from a previous trip right there. Look at that. Oh yeah, there's nothing gonna be a little more than I originally measured. Maybe there'll be enough to go all the way around. I doubt it. I never get lucky like that. You see what I'm doing? Dang old camera tilt-imitating and whatnot. Okay, yeah, that's gonna look a little funky there. I might just cut that end off. Cause yeah, it'll look super funky just coming out to where it is currently. Get out my pocket knife and we'll give her a cut, yeah. All right, so get right about there. Shablam. Guess the only thing left to do is to turn it on and see what it looks like, I tell you. Yeah, so let's get that bad boy plugged in here. This goes in here. Yeah. So yeah, that'll live there. You can still see some tinsel on here from my Christmas special. Sweet. All right. Okay. Get her plugged in, get her plugged. Sweet, and yeah, the control will be right there. Come down here. Go behind the table. Bring that bad boy down. Oh yeah, plenty of room to spare, so I could hook it into either one of my batteries. So I'll hook it into the big one for now. Get that powered on. That powered on. Look at that. So default is red, obviously. Then you do need the Olight app for controlage. I don't know if you need to hold that down to turn on the Bluetooth or what. I guess we'll figure it out. Alright. The light is flashing green. Added successfully. Alright, so let me shut these curtains. I'll turn off my other lights and we'll show you what it looks like in here with that thing. Yeah. Alright, so that already looks pretty dang sweet. Anyways, check out this. So there's all the controls you have here. So I got color gradient. Look at that. So I can change it to whatever color I want by just pressing. Look at that. That is pretty sweet. Or you can do your color palette, or you can do a combo. Where is this combo at? Oh yeah, rainbow colors, man, that's cool. Dang. It's like a disco party in here, man. It's got all sorts of different settings. Look at that. Wow. Huh. Oh man, this thing is sweet. Alright, I'm gonna have all sorts of fun with this. And there's your Christmas Eve. Dream Sea, as it's called. Wow. So this will make my videos a whole lot cooler. Sea of Clouds, this one's called. Yeah? Yeah, do you hear me? Yeah? Yeah, look at that! Ah! Ha 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 ha. An interactive. Interactive? I guess that's what this is. You hear me? Are you being interactive? Yeah? Yeah? Sweet. So the only thing I have not figured out is if there's, oh, it's already, that's all the way bright. That is all the way up. That's as bright as she gets, boys. Which ain't bad. I was hoping for maybe a warm light. That's yellow. That's not really warm. So yeah, I'll definitely add some coolness to my videos, I suppose. And then these, with these, like how adjustable they are, that's pretty sweet. But let's have a look with the other ones on too. Yeah, so I'll definitely need to use these ones still so you can see in here at night. But even with them off, I mean, that's still pretty neat. That'll be sweet for like when I'm chilling in here watching a movie and stuff. But yeah, thanks for joining me on this my second LED light installation. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit that thumbs down. If this is your first time watching me, I do tons of camping in this rig. I cook lots of delicious food over the fire in the truck, and I hang out. I drink delicious beers. That's pretty much what I do. I chill at camp. So if you're, you know, in the mood to relax, chill-imitate a little bit, and then want to watch a mellow dude, you know, hang out and chill, you know, this channel might be for you. So go ahead and check out one of my camping videos. I'd appreciate it. But anyways, yeah. Thanks for checking it out. I thank you for checking this one out. And I'll hopefully see you on one of my camping adventures. Okay? Bye. Bye. If you want, I'll show you the lake a little bit after this too. Yeah. Man, I feel like every time I'm at this lake, I have a sunset with a shelf of clouds right above it. That is straight glorious.